Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Rancilio Silvia. This machine was brought in because the customer said water wouldn't come out of the filter or the wand. And what we discovered is that the pump had actually gone bad. It wouldn't pump the water to prime the machine. So we replaced it, and here it is working once again. So we've got some coffee in the portafilter, and we're going to pull a shot. You can see that water is leaking around the group head. We offered a tune-up to the customer to replace the group head gasket and as well as to descale the machine, but the customer only wanted the pump replaced, so we only replaced the pump. You can see it's making a shot even though it is leaking around the group head gasket, which does need to be replaced as part of a tune-up. Alright, we'll stop there and we'll test some of the other features. We'll do the hot water and open up the wand. See the hot water nice. And we'll close the wand for a moment and then hit the hot steam switch. Give it a moment. It's going to purge water first and then steam will follow. There it goes. You can see it keeps building pressure as time goes on and gets hotter. Alright, so as you can see, the machine is now making coffee and water is coming out of the portafilter as well as the steam wand. Rancilio Silvia. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.